Okay, this is a house tour that I'm doing. So this is my bedroom. This is where I record all my videos. It's messy at the moment because I just don't care. And those are some cookbooks. Well, like heaps of cookbooks. Then I got, yeah, basically where I keep all my stuff. Okay, and then let's go out of my bedroom to the computer room. I got two computers, that one and that one. They both work. And then just everything else here, and there's my cat. I have a lizard in here, but I don't know where he is. So that's the computer room. And then let's go out to my mom and dad's bedroom. So this is a new bed they just bought, and it gives you like a massage, and it has like LED lights, which I'll show you in another video. That's my dad's side. That's my dad's side. And then going around here is my mom's side. That is the remote to like control like the LED lights and the massage thing. And then this is my living room where we hang out and like watch TV, watch Home and Away, and yeah, those are my dogs. And then that's the cat scratching post, and that's the fire and the firewood. This is my sister's room. It's messy at the moment, but doesn't really matter. She has like heaps of drawers and stuff. And then Diamond got, and that's her computer. And then right down here is our kitchen. So where we make dinner, and then the drying up is here, and then that's our fridge. And then this is just the laundry room, nothing special. And then out here is the backyard. And that's the backyard. And that's our pool, which yeah, we don't usually swim in it. There used to be a gas here that was like extended, but we ripped it out because we're placing like a new garden and a hot tub like here, somewhere here or over there. And then there's one more thing, which is the shower. thing, bathroom thing. Okay, let's go. And then that's our shower and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in another video.